is my space where I share my love and passion for food, healthy eating, traveling, and a lot of other things in between. So if you are interested in watching that kind of stuff, then please consider subscribing to my channel, and if you do subscribe, then please do not forget to turn on the notification by pressing the bell icon right next to the subscribe button. And if you have already subscribed to my channel, then thank you very much and welcome back. So, sweet potato. It's an amazing vegetable. Despite the name sweet and potato, it's a super healthy vegetable. If you're one of those Weight Watchers who just cannot do without their carbs, then sweet potato is your best friend. If you're interested in knowing about some other good diet-friendly carbs, then you can click this link right here or the link in the description box below to watch my video on top 5 good carbs for weight loss. Now, coming back to sweet potato. It's so versatile, it's naturally sweet, and it's incredibly nutritious. But my problem with sweet potato was that it's most commonly found in the form of sweet potato fries or sweet potato chips, which kind of beats the purpose of it being healthy. And personally, I don't like sweet potato fries that much, but I still wanted to include sweet potatoes in my daily diet, so I came up with this yummy sweet potato sandwich, which is like all my other recipes, easy peasy to make. It's so filling and it's super yum. So I'm gonna stop talking and start making the sweet potato sandwich. Let's go.
So to make this sandwich, I'm gonna need some cooked sweet potatoes. I have pressure cooked these for about 8 to 10 minutes or until they become tender and mashable. I usually get the purple sweet potatoes, which has purple colored flesh as well, because it looks very colorful and interesting. But this time I got fooled and got these ones instead with just purple skin, but inside it's kind of off-white and yellow. But that's okay. Any kind of sweet potato, red, yellow, purple, will work just the same in this recipe. So I like to batch cook all my sweet potatoes and then I mash it all. Use how much ever I need and then refrigerate the rest. So today I'm gonna use only 1 or 1.5 sweet potato to make my sandwich. These have just been cooked. I'm gonna let them cool down a little bit. In the meanwhile, I'm gonna work on making some caramelized onions and mushrooms for the sandwich filling. It goes really well with the sweet potato filling and it gives a nice bite and crunch to the sandwich. And it's super easy to make. I'm simply heating up a tablespoon of olive oil, to which I'm going to add 1 sliced red onion. I'm going to saute it nicely on medium heat for a few minutes. Next, I'm going to add in some diced mushrooms. I'm using button mushrooms here. And then saute this as well for a few minutes. Once the mushrooms start releasing moisture, I'm going to season it with 1 tablespoon of soy sauce and some freshly cracked black pepper. I'm not adding any more salt because I've already added soy sauce and there's really no need to add any extra sodium in there. Now I'm just going to cook it for a few minutes and the caramelized onions and mushrooms are done. Now I'm going to take it off the frying pan and then in the same pan I'm going to add my cooked and mashed sweet potato. You don't need any more oil in there. So just giving it a quick stir in the frying pan, and then I'm going to add 1/4 cup of almond milk. You can use any milk of your choice. If you'd like me to show how I make my homemade almond milk, let me know in the comment section below. Next, I'm going to season my mashed sweet potato with some salt. I'm using Himalayan pink salt here, some ground oregano, some dried parsley, and freshly cracked black pepper. You can of course season it as you like. Give it all a nice mix. And this is the kind of consistency that I like for my mashed sweet potatoes. That's it. All the fillings are ready. Now I'm gonna go ahead and assemble my sandwich. I have here some toasted slices of dark rye bread. You can use whatever kind you like, but I would always recommend choosing a healthier option. We are health nuts after all. So I'm gonna take a big dollop of my mashed sweet potatoes and spread it all over the toast. Next, I'm gonna layer it up with some caramelized onions and mushrooms. And on the other slice of the bread, I'm spreading my homemade dairy-free vegan cheese spread. This is so yum, you guys. Comment below if you would like me to share the recipe of this vegan cheese spread. You can use any other add-ons of your choice. You can put a nice cheese slice in between if you're not too fussy about few extra calories, or put some ketchup in there, whatever suits your palate. And that is it. Super healthy, super tasty, super filling sweet potato sandwiches are ready. They are full of fiber and so many other essential nutrients. You just cannot go wrong with this. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to leave a like and show me some support by subscribing to my channel. I'll see you in my next one. Till then, stay healthy, stay happy. Bye bye.